All right, we fixing to get rained on. Once again, we got the whole crew. But where's Big Jim? They ain't gonna tell me. If Jim will ever come up, I'll bring him his own feed. Well, once again, all the cows have come into the lot for the feed this morning, and old Jim has not. Well, he ain't in there. Jim definitely ain't in the lot. I don't see him down here. Well, Jim has been known to stand by himself up here underneath these trees. So I'm just gonna go check it out. She sees me without my tobacco stick. She says, "I dare you to get past me." What do you say, old Jim? Well, I found old Jim, Dad. He's up here in these woods by himself. I found old Jim up here in the woods by himself. Looks like he's having trouble standing up. No, he just got up. He just looks like he's struggling like an old man. Now he's just looking at me. Upgraded Dad's radio. Now he just has to talk into it. Yeah, he looks like he's fine. He's just looking at me.
That's all right.
Yeah, I ain't gonna bother him. I'm just gonna let him be.
He's been driving me what?
All right. Well, old Jim don't seem too inclined to go nowhere, and I don't reckon I'm too inclined to go try to make him. So there's old Jim for the day. We'll check on him later.